everybody, it's iPad Expert Dave, and I'm here with another iPad tip for agents. Now, one of the areas I see agents struggling with when using their iPad is when they're working with selecting and editing text. So in this training episode, I'm going to show you 3 quick ways to select text. This will make it a little bit easier for you when trying to use your iPad like a computer or a laptop. So you ready to get to work? All right, let's go. Okay, I'm on my iPad right now, and I'm running the latest iPadOS. Now remember, the iPadOS came out in September of 2019. So hopefully you've upgraded your iPad to that version. And I'm in the Notes app right now. And you can see that I have a sample note up that has a couple of paragraphs, and I'm going to use these paragraphs to show you how to quickly select text. So this is a new way to go ahead and select a word, a sentence, and a paragraph. And this comes in real handy when you want to format a paragraph or a sentence or a specific word, or if you want to copy and paste that paragraph either within the document you're working on, or you're heading to another app and you want to paste it into another app. So let's take a look at that. First, I'm going to tap anywhere inside of the body of the note to get the flashing cursor. So you can see it there flashing. And what that's telling me is I'm in edit mode. And these selection tips are good when you're in edit mode, so you have a flashing cursor. So in that second sentence, you'll see I can't wait to learn more about it. I'm going to select the word learn. And I'm going to use one finger and I'm going to double tap right on the word learn. And notice when I double tap on it, it selects it. Now, if I wanted to select that sentence that contains the word learn, I'm going to go to that selected word learn and I'm going to double tap that. And when I double tap on learn, once it's selected, you'll see that it selects the whole sentence. Now, if I double tap again on that selected sentence, watch what happens. It selects the full paragraph. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's do that again. I'm going to use one finger, I'm going to double tap on learn, and then I'm going to use one finger and double tap on the word learn again. Now remember, it's selected, so watch this. It selects the sentence. And then I'll double tap on that selected sentence, and it selects the full paragraph. Now again, from here, I can go ahead and cut, copy, and paste this paragraph somewhere else, or I could format it if I wanted to. So I could bold it, I could highlight it, I could do various things that the application I'm working in allows me to do. So that's a quick way to go ahead and select a word, select a sentence, and select a full paragraph when working on your iPad. Well, hopefully you learned something from that tip. And if you did, that's just a taste of what I'm going to be sharing in the upcoming Mastering iPad Basic for Agents hands-on workshop taking place on January 29th and 31st from noon to 2:50. Now that's a 2-half-day class. And again, that's from noon to 2:50 each day. And it's taking place right at West Corporate. Now the normal price for this workshop is $179, but there's a West agent discount and your price is only $127, a savings of $52. You can learn more about this workshop and sign up for it by visiting masteringipadbasics.eventbrite.com, masteringipadbasics.eventbrite.com, or look for the registration link in the email you found this video in. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you at the workshop.